Taurine and longevity, enhancing cellular health, cardiovascular function, and neuroprotection. Introduction. Taurine, a conditionally essential amino acid, is gaining attention for its potential to extend lifespan and improve health span by protecting mitochondria, reducing inflammation, and enhancing metabolic function. While taurine is naturally synthesized in small amounts by the body, dietary sources and supplementation may offer additional benefits, particularly as taurine levels tend to decline with age. Emerging research suggests that taurine deficiency is a driver of aging, and replenishing taurine through food or supplementation may help mitigate cellular damage, improve cardiovascular health, and protect against neurodegenerative diseases. Taurine and longevity, extending lifespan and health span. Recent studies provide compelling evidence that taurine supplementation extends lifespan and improves health span by addressing key factors that contribute to cellular aging. A 2023 study published in Science demonstrated that taurine supplementation extended the lifespan of middle-aged mice by 10% to 12%, which translates to an additional 7 to 8 years in human terms. Key mechanisms supporting longevity: reduction of cellular senescence. Taurine mitigates cellular senescence, a process where cells lose their ability to divide and function properly, contributing to aging and chronic disease. Improved mitochondrial function. Taurine supports mitochondrial efficiency, preventing oxidative stress and maintaining optimal ATP production, which is crucial for cellular energy. Modulation of inflammatory pathways. Chronic low-grade inflammation is a hallmark of aging. Taurine has been shown to reduce inflammation by inhibiting pro-inflammatory cytokines and oxidative stress. Evidence from animal studies. In mice, taurine supplementation improved multiple markers of health span, including muscle strength, bone density, and metabolic function. Studies in primates have also demonstrated improvements in immune system function and reduced markers of oxidative stress following taurine supplementation. Cardiovascular benefits, protecting heart and blood vessels. Taurine plays a pivotal role in maintaining cardiovascular health by regulating blood pressure, supporting endothelial function, and improving lipid metabolism. As cardiovascular disease remains the leading cause of mortality worldwide, taurine's potential to mitigate risk factors is especially significant. How taurine supports cardiovascular health. Blood pressure regulation. Taurine helps lower blood pressure by promoting vasodilation and inhibiting the activity of the sympathetic nervous system. It also modulates calcium levels, contributing to blood vessel relaxation. Enhanced endothelial function. Taurine protects endothelial cells which line the blood vessels by preventing arterial stiffness and plaque buildup. Improved endothelial health reduces the risk of cardiovascular complications. Anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Taurine neutralizes free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation that can damage blood vessels and lead to atherosclerosis. Scientific evidence. A meta-analysis published in the Journal of Hypertension confirmed that taurine supplementation significantly reduced blood pressure in individuals with hypertension. Another study in Circulation Research demonstrated that taurine supplementation improved endothelial function and reduced arterial stiffness, highlighting its potential in preventing cardiovascular disease. Taurine and brain health, protecting against neurodegeneration. Taurine also plays a vital role in neurological health, particularly in protecting against neurodegenerative diseases such as Parkinson's and Alzheimer's disease. Taurine maintains the health of dopaminergic neurons, which are vulnerable in Parkinson's disease, and protects against oxidative stress and inflammation. Mechanisms supporting brain health. Reduction of oxidative stress. Taurine reduces oxidative stress, preventing neuronal damage and maintaining cognitive function. Enhanced mitochondrial function in dopaminergic neurons. Taurine supports mitochondrial health in dopaminergic neurons, preserving their ability to produce energy and protect against cell death. Anti-inflammatory action. Taurine reduces neuroinflammation, a key contributor to the progression of neurodegenerative diseases. Scientific evidence. A study in Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience found that taurine supplementation protected dopaminergic neurons in models of Parkinson's disease and reduced markers of neuroinflammation. Another study demonstrated that taurine improved cognitive function and reduced oxidative damage in animal models of Alzheimer's disease. Taurine and metabolic health, regulating blood sugar and lipid metabolism. Taurine's impact on metabolic health is another key factor in its ability to promote longevity. It enhances glucose regulation, improves insulin sensitivity, and supports lipid metabolism, reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes and metabolic syndrome. How taurine improves metabolic health? Improved insulin sensitivity. Taurine enhances insulin sensitivity, facilitating efficient glucose transport into cells for energy production. Reduction of fat accumulation in the liver. Taurine prevents the accumulation of fat in the liver, reducing the risk of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. Modulation of lipid metabolism. Taurine helps regulate cholesterol and triglyceride levels, promoting a healthier metabolic profile. Scientific evidence. A study in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition highlighted taurine's ability to improve glucose regulation and reduce insulin resistance in individuals with metabolic syndrome. Another study demonstrated that taurine supplementation reduced liver fat content and improved lipid profiles in animal models of fatty liver disease. Muscle and physical performance, enhancing strength and recovery. Athletes and fitness enthusiasts have recognized taurine's potential to improve muscle performance and accelerate recovery. Taurine supports muscle function by reducing oxidative stress, maintaining electrolyte balance, and minimizing fatigue. Key benefits for physical performance. Reduced muscle fatigue. Taurine helps delay muscle fatigue, allowing for longer endurance and sustained performance. Improved electrolyte balance. Taurine regulates calcium and potassium levels within muscle cells, ensuring optimal muscle contraction and function. Faster muscle recovery. Taurine reduces post-exercise inflammation and oxidative damage, promoting quicker recovery after intense physical activity. Dietary sources of taurine, boosting intake naturally. Taurine is primarily found in animal-based foods, making it accessible through a nutrient-dense diet. Although the body synthesizes small amounts of taurine, dietary intake provides a more reliable source for maintaining optimal levels. Top dietary sources of taurine: grass-fed beef and lamb. High-quality animal proteins provide ample taurine to support mitochondrial and cellular function. Pastured eggs. Eggs from pasture-raised hens are an excellent source of taurine and other essential nutrients. Dairy products. Raw, grass-fed dairy products contain taurine and contribute to overall metabolic health. Seafood. Shellfish, sardines, and salmon are rich in taurine and provide essential omega-3 fatty acids that further support longevity. Should you supplement with taurine? While dietary intake provides taurine, supplementation may be beneficial for individuals with higher metabolic demands, aging populations, or those managing chronic health conditions. Taurine supplementation is generally safe and well tolerated, with recommended doses ranging from 500 milligrams to 3,000 milligrams per day. When to consider supplementation: individuals with cardiovascular risk factors or metabolic syndrome, those with neurodegenerative conditions seeking mitochondrial support, athletes looking to enhance endurance and accelerate muscle recovery, aging adults seeking to delay cellular aging and improve longevity. Potential side effects and precautions. Taurine is safe and well tolerated with minimal side effects. However, excessive intake may cause mild gastrointestinal discomfort. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should consult with a healthcare provider before starting taurine supplementation. Conclusion: taurine is emerging as a powerful longevity-enhancing compound, offering profound benefits for cellular function, cardiovascular health, brain protection, and metabolic regulation. Whether obtained through diet or supplementation, taurine helps regulate calcium, improve mitochondrial function, and delay cellular aging. By incorporating taurine-rich foods or considering supplementation, individuals can support their overall well-being, longevity, and vitality.